The Generative AI for Software Developers course equips learners with the technical know-how to use generative AI tools, optimize development processes, improve software testing, optimize code, and drive innovation. Simpliaxis's comprehensive curriculum is designed for back-end developers, front-end developers, budding Java developers, IT consultants, data engineers, DevOps engineers, cloud architects, seasoned software engineers, and so on. To enroll in Generative AI course certification with Simpliaxis, visit our website, select a training batch that suits your schedule, and fill out the registration form. Once payment is confirmed, you will receive a welcome email with all the details. Upon completion of the course, you can understand the working algorithms and practical uses of JNs, transformers, and VAEs. Harness the capabilities of generative AI while addressing ethical issues associated with generative AI. We offer convenient online payment options via credit cards, debit cards, or bank transfers. Register early to enjoy our special discounts. This certification is valuable for both technical and non-technical professionals, with roles available in diverse industries like IT, healthcare, finance, and more. Take the next step in your career and advance your skills with the Generative AI course. Visit the Simpliaxis website today and enroll in our world-class training program.